Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm actually going to be showing you pink fidgets that I can find. So I guess let's get started. So I guess I'm going to my fidget drawer, and I put a home run sticker there. I don't know why, but I'm going to place you guys right over here. I figure out how to open up this drawer. Why is this so complicated? Oh, finally. I put you back on the stand, but I will, but I won't. I already see a few pink things. I'm gonna grab them. We see a pink poppet, a pink globble. Again, if you don't know what a globble is, that's on you, but I'm not trying to stick. So basically, they stick to your ceiling if you throw them up there. Not all ceilings, but it's a pink sparkly globble. So yeah. And then we have a pig splat ball. This is what a pink splat ball does. Oh, I'm not doing it correctly. So basically, it just, man, shoot. So basically, when you throw it to the ground, it comes to like a puddle, and it is pink. A pink duck keychain. Pink kinetic sand. I think pink kinetic sand is a fidget. Pink poppet dice. Doing this with one hand in my camera is really hard. That. We got a pink noodle. This fidget maze, I do not like these, but hey, they still count. Okay, this counts. Oh my god, you might have a jackpot. Oh, this is on My Little Pony, but unfortunately, since I have one hand in the camera, it's really hard to show you what it does. So basically, you get to stretch it. It's made out of sand inside. I think there's a pink mochi, yep. I wouldn't say this is all pink, so I'm not gonna count it. But I know this infinity cube is. This pink glow-in-the-dark mochi. This pink Minnie Mouse poppet. This all pink cloud person, I think. I don't know what it is, but it's a cloud person. So I guess it counts. I got a pink bunny, a pink light up bunny. I know I have more. Yep. You think this is just an ordinary goofy slime? No. I gotta get it out for you to see. Okay, I got it out. It lights up. So, and it's pink. So that definitely counts. Is there any more pink fidgets in here? Honestly? Yeah. So basically, it's a unicorn pooping slime. It's just that that's really hard to push out. I don't know why. Well, now I'm gonna go look at a few more mochis that I have in these two pink drawers. Oh my god. Some other things are in here. So I'm just gonna hold you guys. This one is another pack. But look what I found inside. A pink small dimple. A pink tiny mochi. Next door. Oh my god. I got one hedgehog glow in the dark mochi. We got one elephant mochi. And we got one, I think, another elephant mochi. All there. So those are all my pink fidgets, I think. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.